for us. Matthew.
It's 6.
Very good. How did you know that 18 divided by 3 will be 6?
It's you have to divide multiplication backwards.
That's right. So we could use a missing number equation. So we are asking ourselves, what number times 3 would make 18? And Matthew knows the answer is 6. So we can put the missing number. Also on the board we have our logic problem. So one number is represented by the circle and one number is represented by the square. Sophie, are you listening? So it's up to you to figure out the value of each of these symbols. So what does the circle equal and what does the square equal? The value has to be true in both equations. So the circle plus the square will make 32. Think of two numbers. When you add them, the result will be 32. When we multiply those same two numbers, the result is 255. So we know that if you multiply 12 times 12, we have 144. So the result is bigger than 144, and I'll give you a hint. The missing numbers are both bigger than 12. So we've gone beyond 12 times 12 here. The numbers are larger.
13.
What method could you use to solve this problem? Valerie?
You have to use the number that makes 32.
That's right. We could use guess and check. So for example, you could try multiplying 14 by 14. See if it's right. Or 14 by 15. Then you could try 15 by 16. See what result you get, and if it's close to 255. Okay? I'll give you 3 to 5 minutes to work on that question now.
Go.
One old day, there was a
Here, I'll help you with that. There was one old day. There was a wooden puppet who was made of magic wood. His name was Sam, and he could talk. More than anything, he wished that he was a fire boy.
Lucy, long ago, lived a mermaid named Stephanie. She had a father named Frosty. They lived in a castle with seahorses. One day, Stephanie went to a dress store and bought a white, pink, purple, red, blue dress. She went to a fruit store and bought.
Okay, and what you gonna do with these things now? That got interesting. I liked it. A fairy castle and what, seahorses or something? Okay, you can have sparkles, but why did she buy those things? Sounds like she's getting ready with new clothes, some good food. Is there a party coming? Is it a mermaid party? Well, that's right. So you have to make this next thing. It's getting exciting when you say, one day she went to buy a dress. Hand down for a minute. She went to buy a dress and then she bought food. What is she thinking? She brought it all back to her castle, right? And she prepared a big feast. Who did she invite to the feast? All the fairies? All the mermaids? A mermaid feast? Who would it be?
What are we? Mermaid, I think,